Naghahanap ka ba ng affordable housing dito sa Malolos City? Presenting to you, Evara Residences. Evara is located at Sitio Patubigan, Barangay Looc 2nd, City of Malolos, Bulacan. Evara is just 2 kilometers away from Walter Mart Giginto. Kung paluwas ka naman, this community is just 2.7 kilometers away from NLEX Tabang exit. Para sa amenities naman, we have park, playgrounds, basketball court, clubhouse. At hindi lang yan, mayroon tayong material recovery facility at sewage treatment plants, ensuring a safe, clean, and environmentally responsible neighborhood. Tara na dito sa Evara. Ito naman ang ating turnover unit dito sa Evara Residences. Let's go! Ito po ang yung 1-car parking space. By the way, ang total floor area nito is 52 square meters. Dito sa ground floor, you have a total floor area of 20 square meters. Andito ang yung living and dining area. You have your kitchen, and this is your toilet and bath number 1. Plus, your space, big space actually, for your laundry area. And for your future renovations na rin kasama dito. Okay, and this one, let's go para sa second floor. So, ito naman ang ating second floor area. For your future renovation, pwede mo siyang gawing 1 bedroom, 2 bedrooms, o kaya 3 bedrooms. Depende po sa preferences ninyo. Kanina meron tayong 1 toilet and bath sa baba. This is your second toilet and bath. Complete na po yan with your toilet and bathroom fixtures. This one goes to your balcony number 2. Kasi yung meron pa tayong balcony number 1 sa harapan. By the way, ang total floor area nito for our second floor is around 32 square meters po. Ito ang ating balcony number 1. Masarap to, lalo pag sunrise facing ka. Good for your morning coffee. Okay, that's it for our house tour. This is Hansel Zumera, real estate broker from Televero Realty. Salamat po.